Hello, children of Urhobo culture. It is a good day to learn our mother tongue. Rules governing the use of adjectives in Urhobo. There are two rules governing the use of adjectives in Urhobo. Rule 1. Attributive adjective. An attributive adjective is part of the noun phrase in a sentence. It must begin with a vowel and it comes after the noun it modifies, but comes before the verb in the sentence. For example, ìran kò ọdọ́ndọ̀ náà jẹ. The lame dog is running. Rule 2. Predicative adjective. Predicative adjective must begin with a consonant and it comes after a verb. For example, ìran kò náwà dandan. The dog is lame. These are the rules guiding the use of adjectives in Urhobo. Comment your sentences using these rules. Let's learn together.